Okay, so now we're going to demonstrate the dumbbell bicep curl. Okay, again, a couple dumbbells. You can do this one arm at a time, both arms at the same time, or alternate arm. So let's do it one arm at a time. So we're going to start with the dumbbell facing forward, like this, and coming up, squeeze, and you come back down. Control movement. What you don't want is any ballistic, springy movements, like this. Okay, this is not for rehabilitative purposes and it can actually injure you. Again, up, squeeze, and come back down. Also notice the position of the wrist. You want to have the wrist in this position when you're holding the dumbbell. You don't want the wrist to flop back like this. So this here is going to injure the wrist if you're doing the dumbbell curl in this position. That is the position of the wrist. Control. Okay, you can also change the position of the arm. So you can have it like this, or you can be in this position. Principle is the same, up and down, up and down. Then you can also turn it all the way around, up and down. Again, the position of the wrist is important. What you don't want is the wrist flopping down like this when you're doing the reverse bicep curl. This is the position you want the wrist to be in. What you don't want is this. If you're doing this, then you need to drop that weight. If you cannot hold the dumbbell in this position while doing the dumbbell curl, you need to drop the weight. Okay? So also, you can vary the range depending on your situation. This will be your full range dumbbell curl. You can also have a partial range dumbbell curl. Okay, you can alter the range of movement as directed by your therapist. Do what is appropriate for you. Okay, what you don't want is to perform any cheat curls, or you see people, or the curl where people are swinging the body to get extra weight up like this. Okay, this is not for rehabilitative purposes. This has a use, but it's not for rehabilitation.